Hello everyone, my name is Miss Lee. I just come back from a very cold, freezing cold country. No, I'm not. I just like being warm, okay? Hot, okay? So say hi to my friends. They are all brothers, okay? Now, I'm going to try some new things because I know exams are coming up. So I'm going to record some video tapes about some basic grammar and the technique of comprehension exercise. I'm going to have two videos right now because I do not have those technology that can support me making just one video clips. Okay, I have two devices, my iPhone and my iPad right now. Okay, so listen. Okay, so you listen to me in this video clip and you look at the other clips. Okay. Okay, let's start. The first thing is I want people to make sure the differences between do does and is am are. Okay, so have you heard of do you like my dogs? Do you like my dogs? Do you play basketball? Do you drink Coca-Cola? Those are the verbs, okay? 動詞，記住 do does 咧係配動詞嘅 ，is am are 咧係會配形容詞。Are you tall? Are you short? Are you chubby? 我哋唔講 fat 啦嚇 ，chubby，chubby，OK？CH 係 like chair, right? OK， 咁啊唔講咁多啦。Listen, okay? In my lesson, it has to be all in English, plain English, okay? I will try to use simple words to explain what I said in English too, okay? So listen. Do you have a dog? Yes, I do. Do you have an umbrella? No, I don't. 聽過呢啲句子啦，係咪？跟住啦 ，Does Jack have a book？ 今次唔係 you 你做主角咯噃 ，Jack 係 he 係啦。No, he does not. OK， 第三題啦。Does Jack have a book? No, he does not. 寫翻個字嚇 ，no， he 或者 he 乜呀？係啦 ，he doesn't. Full stop， 記住啦。No, he doesn't. Full stop. OK。Next。寫樣醜怪小朋友先會注意㗎，都唔係啊，呢個可以啲啦，係咪啊？小朋友最中意啲古怪字係咪啊 ？OK， 好啦，咁而家呢度咧，跟住佢望下個問題問咩先 ？No, he does not。記住問題咧唔可以講he， 因為你要講嗰個人個名㗎嘛，係咪？好啦，所以咧你又見到 does， 又見到 he， 咁即係代表咩啊？我哋用 does 開頭啦，佢俾咗個名㗎啦，叫阿 Tom 啊，見唔見到？冇下邊嗰個字叫阿 Tom，OK？ 所以呢兩個clue 即係個提示咧話咗俾你聽啦 ，does Tom 啦。咁跟住提先之前嗰啲全部用 have 呢個動詞咧，我用翻 have。記住 does 加咗 s 俾佢，唔準再加 s， 啱唔啱？係啦。Does Tom have 係咩啊？A hat 咯，係咪啊？跟住 question mark 咯，得唔得？係啦。Does Tom have a hat？ 跟住咪搞掂。Does Tom have a hat? No, he does not. OK， 咁跟住下邊嘞喎。咦，又係咁嘞喎，咁小朋友冇話知點做，可唔可以話我知點做咧？嗱，首先我哋睇到咩 clue 啊？用 does 啦，用 Amy 啦，諗到係咪？3、2、1，記住大家，跟住記住寫 Amy 呢兩個 clue 提示俾咗你啦。Does Amy have a cutie cat？ 係咪啊 ？Does Amy have a cat？ 未完啦 ，question mark 啦，今次得唔得？撳過啲俾大家睇。Does Amy have a hat? Yes, she does。記住啦，好嘛？睇佢用咩，你用咩 ？He, she, it 用 does。記住女仔名 Amy、Janice， 學校有㗎啦 ，Joy 係咪啊？總之學校名記住男男女女。我係聽過小朋友唔知㗎， Sally 係男仔，其實 Sally 係女仔。OK， 好啦，咁咧我哋呢版 OK 咯喎，記住 video 可以重溫㗎嚇。Do does 嘅分別教咗，點樣揾翻個主角教咗，咁啊剔一剔。好啦，咁我哋去第二邊啦。我哋係咪播緊嘅呢 ？check 一 check 先。但我應該係播緊嘅喎，係啦。好彩啫！有時都要睇下，如果唔係咧就白費晒心機啦。因為始終唔係面對面啊嘛，係咪？好啦，第二啦，咁呢個咧咩嚟嘅咧 ？OK， 咁啊讀一讀嗰個文章啦。The rule you need to have must or must not， 或者 mustn't。OK 喎，佢俾你 must not 或者 mustn't 呢個選擇俾你嗱，考試我個技巧都會話你知嘅，真係話兩個字都俾你做到嘅。OK， 好啦 ，and use the word in the box only once only。記住睇考試嘅技巧，睇有時啲題目好長噶嘛，好似見到呢度咁係咪好長啊？睇最尾嗰句先，最尾嗰句，咦有重要資訊，即刻睇埋第二句有冇重要資訊先，都有係咪啊？咁你記住，咁啊睇埋第三句啦，冇喎 ，Jenny is writing 啫喎，係咪啊？咁得咯，睇兩句咯，唔使理時間。但一定要睇，知唔知？習慣嚟嘅，真係習慣。好啦，第一 we mustn't eat in the library。咁第二啦，咁啊首先佢有兩個條件啊嘛。咁而家呢一度咧係排隊嘅意思係 line up 啦，係咪？所以好簡單，我哋英文叫咩啊 ？We must line up in the library， 係咪 ？We must line up in the library。嗱，你咪寫一寫啦，最好佢又俾個文字格我，咁咪靚好多啦。記住大家寫字啊嚇，嗱好得意嘅女仔咧，黐埋晒啲字嘅唔得 ，squeeze 晒出嚟，係咪啊？你睇，可唔可以咁樣啊 ？squeeze 啲字唔好 squeeze 晒，因為 CL 你寫到好似個 D 咁噶啦 ，no。少少空位啊，好唔好啊？捽度少少，好唔好啊？唔可以咁 squeeze 嘅寫嘢。咁啊，做一做呢一個先，因為咧 I me my 其實由2年班開始咧都係有啲唔穩定㗎啦。咁所以我哋嗱呢個當然係再進階版啦，但係都可以好輕易咁話到俾你聽佢兩個嘅分別嘅。嗱，就算1、2年班最唔掂嘅就係咩咧？幾時加 S？幾時係現在式？要知道，跟住再嚟就係 I me my 呢3個字係點樣分嘅？個個都錯㗎啦。OK， 咁我哋睇一睇啦。I'm not a lazy student, but I don't understand why my teachers do not like。記住，其實我 I 係主角，好簡單嘅咋，其實好簡單。主角 I 係主角 ，me 係配角。OK， 咁加個主字啦，一個係主角，一個係配角啦。咁第三因為你未學嘅 my 你未學㗎嘛，咁啊就唔使講係乜嘢啦，知唔知道？係啦 ，I me 係啦。咁咧而家係老師做主角，老師喜唔喜歡我係咪？咁所以個答案係 me， 得唔得？係啦，個答案係 me。係啦，咁跟住啦，第二題咯喎。You and I 兩個人，記住點解 You and I 唔係 You and me？ 因為 You and I 兩個都係主角，記住係啦 ，I 係主角 ，You and I 都係主角，我哋兩個主角好鍾意做呢樣嘢，我哋兩個主角，sorry，we 係啦，我哋兩個主角有呢一個嘅同樣嘅興趣。OK， 主角，好啦，你睇下 ，Look， the girl is in a pink dress。跟住一定要睇後面喎，你唔可以齋睇前邊唔睇後面。睇完前邊啦，咁咧後面係的東西或者的人，你的係咪啊？咁咪 your 咯。Look， the girl in this pink is your sister， 或者唔係 your 咯喎 ，my 咯喎，點解啊？佢係我嘅 sister 啊 ，Does she look beautiful？佢係我個 sister， 佢靚唔靚女咧？係咪啊？我梗係讚我妹妹㗎啦。OK，
my 就係的嘅意思 ，OK， 係啦，主要係主角同埋配角嘅分別嘅啫，其實最難係呢點。This is not 乜嘢 book， 睇後面啦，你唔可以攞㗎。如果你堅持，我就會同老師講㗎啦。所以呢，我最中意啲小朋友估啲字㗎，係啦，估到呢個字係堅持，係咪啊？如果你堅持，我就會同老師講㗎啦。要到你第一個先知嘅，I me my 其實由咁，所以咧呢本唔係你都係有啲唔穩定，好多小朋友寫呢個當然係再進階版就唔啱啦，但係都可以問下你咯，輕易咁話到俾你聽。佢兩個唔係你嘅，你嗱，就算1、2年班最唔掂嘅就係咩咧？幾時加 S？ 食乜嘢？幾時理想啦？要知道令自己喺屋企啦。I me my 即係咩意思啊？呢3個字係點樣分嘅？個個都錯㗎啦。即係咁我哋睇一睇啦。I'm not a lazy student, but 你自己照顧自己，你當自己 OK 得㗎啦。記住，咁其實你咧明唔明白？係主角呢個時候可以好簡單嘅，就其實好簡單。睇上文下你記住啦。I 係主角 ，Me 係配角。Colourful sofa 加個主字啦，一個係主角，一個係配角啦。咁第3因為你未學嘅 mind 你未學㗎嘛。咁啊就唔使講係乜嘢啦，知唔知道？係啦 ，I mean in the buffet dinner， 咁咧，而家係老師做主角，老師喜唔喜歡我？好多俾我哋揀喎，咁記住係俾我哋，咁即係我哋被動㗎啦。被動就唔可以呢兩個，知唔知？係啦，就係咁。咁跟住啦，第2題咯喎。意思 O 唔 OK？You and I 之後你可以記住點解 You and I 唔係 You and me？其實雖然第一題因為 you and I 兩個都係主角，咁總之記住啦，被動記住就唔可以用主動嘅詞語就咁簡單啫。You and I 都係主角，我哋兩個帶我去街，好中意做呢樣嘢，我就叫做配角，啱唔啱？係啦，媽咪我哋兩個主角，我就係配角。sorry， 我可以用 we， 唔好用我啦，用女仔。我哋兩個主角就係 her， 有呢一個嘅同樣嘅興趣。媽咪拖佢主角，佢就叫 her 或者叫 him。你睇下 ，look，the girl is in the picture。配角就係跟住一定要睇後面喎，你唔可以齋睇前邊唔睇後面。睇完前邊啦 ，OK。咁咧，嗱呢個好簡單嘅啫，睇或者的人睇成句先。咦，好多重要嘅字眼喎。Look，the girl in this pink is your sister。貴或者唔係我咯喎，明白個意思係咪？佢係我嘅 sister 啊！呢個書讀 beautiful， 佢係我個 sister， 靚唔靚咧？都係有啲唔穩定㗎啦。我梗係就呢個當然啦，呢個專家版啊，但係都可以好的嘅意思，名詞咧，成個都係名詞，主要係主角最新嘅 model 啊，1、2年班係最，所以你記住咩咧？名詞讀埋先，乜嘢 book？幾時跟住再解釋？你唔可以攞再嚟就係，如果你堅持，我就會3個字講㗎啦，個個都錯㗎啦。我最中意啲小朋友估啲字㗎，係啦，自己試下估到呢個字係堅持，你覺得係名詞可以係副詞形容一個 Miss Chan 可能 beautiful， 記住遇到理解其實加埋一齊之後再講。係主角，咁所以咧，咁你覺得係咁好簡單嘅就教唔到好多小朋友寫賣嘅主角咁咯，係啦，就係主角。呢個難好多嘅，可以喺度第2個咁長喎，唔係你嘅，你唔好攞。一個係主角，一個係跟住啦。試下第3題，第3因為你未學嘅 mind， 你未學嘅乜嘢理想啦，考唔知道，令自己喺屋企啦，係啦，即係咩意思啊？而家係老師做主角，講少少喜歡我。L.Y. 其實係所以嘅答案係 me。即係代表地跑，你自己照顧自己，你當自己屋企得㗎啦。L.Y. 嘅話咧，一定有動作，因為咁跟住啦，第2題咯喎，開心地笑，時候可以寫。記住點解呢兩個字係 You and me？睇上文下你，因為 You and I 呢兩個字係黐埋㗎咯喎。記住 colourful I 係主角 ，You and I 都係主角。我哋兩個主角都好中意做呢樣嘢，得唔得？誒唔係喎。我哋兩個主角 in the buffet dinner， 咁我總之呢兩個字係黐埋咧。你點樣擺都好，呢兩個字我哋呢啲咪就有呢一個嘅，咁啊記住技巧咯，得唔得？咁即係我哋被動㗎啦。咁一定係名詞先㗎啦，唔可以呢兩個。你睇下係名詞先㗎啦，係咪啊？咁樣咁一定要睇後面喎，你唔可以齋睇之後，你可以做埋下邊。睇完之後係點樣咧？哇，Peter 好肥啊，後面係的，所以學得好慢啊。咁總之記住啦，你的係咪就唔可以用啲字黐埋。做唔到好多題㗎，因為咧每題都唔同，我就總之你要記住。啱唔啱？點解啊？係 體就一定係名詞，
拖住我
跟住動詞，我就係
動詞可以 is
佢係我個 sister，
亦都可以
即係
用動詞
靚女咧，
唔好用我啦，
用
用女仔
我梗係讚我佢㗎啦，
唔好用 she。
OK，係啦，
媽咪
媽咪拖
嘅意思
佢，
佢就叫 her 或者叫
主要係
him，
主角同埋配角嘅分別嘅啫。其實
記住啦，
最大係呢
配角就係 her him。
This is not
呢個最好玩，我最
最
中意
中意。
嗰啲
你唔可以攞㗎。
㗎。
嗱，呢個好簡單
如果
嘅啫。
你堅持
睇我就會同老師
睇成句先，
講㗎啦。
咦，好多重要嘅字眼
我最中意啲小朋友
記住
用
underline
嘅
circle 啊，
貴
係啦，呢啲有老師都提過你哋好多次啦。明白個意思係咪？都唔記得嗰種啊。
老師講㗎啦。
遇到你揀呢個字啊，一定要記住啊，唔該大家。
咁所以咧呢本唔係
underline 就話好明書係咩？
好多小朋友寫埋嘅。
呢個嗱呢個難嘅，呢個係配合字嚟
下你咯。
名詞有啲係容易
成個都係名詞，
唔係
你嘅，
最新嘅
model 啊，
係，所以你記住名詞 group 埋先。
乜嘢你想
首先 get on
令自己喺屋企啦，
係咪啊？
即係咩意思啊？太貴啦。
咁所以即係上車咯，即係我哋唔係上車。嗱，老師係叫下面嗰啲嘅小朋友，你覺得係名詞可以出嚟罰企，形容一個 Miss Chan 可能 beautiful 係咪啊？形容出去我夾埋一齊咯，咁你哋可以話我知啦。呢個你覺得係夾埋一齊夾到，夾唔到咪分開。OK，睇上文下你記住啦。頭先寫到個呢個難好多嘅可以。I like that colourful sofa，有 out 乜嘢 is very expensive？跟住啦，試下第三題啦，呢個簡單啲。東西好 expensive。Peter 有 out 呢個字啦。跑。亦都係有慢 in the buffet dinner，L Y 係 a lot of dishes for，咁你估少少啦，定係 offer 好多俾我哋揀喎，咁記住俾我哋，咁即係我哋一定有動作咯。被動就唔親 L Y 呢個話咧，一定有動作，就係佢慢慢地跑，慢慢地跳，開心地笑，係咪？係啦，之後你可以問下邊呢兩個字係其實雖然第一題啊，呢兩個字係黐埋，咁總之記住啦，被動可以用係啦，因為佢講咗 get out of the classroom，媽咪帶我去街，我就叫做配角，係咪啊？媽咪拖住我隻手，我就係配角。get off 就落車，總之呢兩個字可以黐埋啦。你點樣擺我啦？用呢兩個字啫啦，呢啲咪就係個跟住啦技巧咯。呢個難嘅，呢個難嘅，咁一定係名詞先㗎啦。out 嘅意思一定係名詞先㗎啦，係咪啊？記住啦，配角咁樣咁嘅就係你嘅經 OK 係咪啊 ？Peter me。跟住係點樣咧？哇，Peter 好肥啊！呢個好簡單嘅，需要跑得好慢啊！睇成句先，好多重要嘅字眼喎，黐埋呢個簡單，做唔到好多題㗎，因為咧，每題都唔同啊嘛。總之你明白個意思係咪？主 block 睇就一定係名詞嘅，記住跟住動詞可以 is for，記住 look 亦都可以真係動詞。OK，好，你得。I need to ask the police 動作，呢個係 OK。for，好，我哋。名詞咯，成個都係名詞係咪啊？最新嘅 model 啊，一定係，所以你記住，但係名詞谷埋呢個最好玩，我最中意。好多小朋友唔中意咧，就係風尾嘅意思係OK，underline 家庭姐姐啦。OK，嗱記住 underline 嘅 circle 啊，自己試下做下。呢啲我諗老師都提過你哋好多次啦。你覺得係名詞可以一 group 嘅都唔記得佢用呢個 Miss Chan 可能 beautiful 係咪啊？而家呢個字啊，加埋一齊，其實嘛呢個係啦。總之你覺得係夾埋一齊夾到，夾唔到咪分開。形容詞啦，嗱呢個難嘅，中文都係啦，呢個難好多嘅，可以唔？但有啲係容易㗎，咁長喎。嗱，當然呢啲錯嘅咧，跟住啦，試下第三條啦，簡單啲，咁自己睇清楚 he she it 加 s 嗰啲字眼。慢，首先跑，通常跑下邊慢 the bus 係啊，L Y 係之後再講嘅。咁所以即係上車你講寫住啦。L Y 其實係地，老師叫呢個 P 地嘅小朋友。咁所以一定有動作出嚟罰企嗱，用親 L Y 嘅話咧，一定有動作。但係如果出去我哋慢慢地跳，咁你哋可以慢慢地笑。縱使未學，咁都好明顯規矩呢兩個字係有係先。呢兩個字係黐埋冇俾個名你，所以我都 out 書就算啦。冇辦法，有 out 叫咩名？係咪啊？OK，係啦。Has she read the English storybook？有 out 呢個字啦，亦都係有 get 呢隻字啦。No，she has not。咁啊，總之呢兩個字係黐埋啦。咁你估係點樣擺？佢啲字呢兩個字黐埋，呢啲咪就係個寫先。誒技巧咯，得唔得 ？OK，咁咪算啦。咁一定係名詞先㗎啦。咁得意嘅，一定係名詞先㗎啦，係咪啊？ 咁樣嘅理解咯。OK 係咪啊？
你睇下 out and off，
跟住
holiday
哇 Peter 好肥啊，
呢啲好簡單嘅
佢需要跑得好慢啊。
4年班又係學呢啲。OK，咁啊記住啲乜嘢啊？
係啦，因為佢講咗做唔到好多題㗎，因為咧
屬於
每題都唔同㗎嘛。總之你要記住佢，我哋揀咗個題就一定係名詞，跟住動詞。動詞可以 get off 就落車㗎啦，亦都可以真係動詞。OK，我哋攞嚟 verbs 係 get out 動作照抄。跟住啦 ，OK，哇，呢個難嘅，呢個難嘅。咁呢個係咧點分啊？broke out 嘅意思咧，老師講過係咩啊？有2個音節，3個音節。係啦，有課勁。呢個最好玩，我最中意。3個音節好多小朋友唔中意，但係有啲特別啲嘅係尾巴係 ing 嘅。I need to ask the policeman to look。記住 underline 唔係雙個啊。我都 underline。呢啲我諗老師都提過你哋好多時啦。Get out，係人都唔記得嗰種啊。out，OK，記住 underline 啊 ，underline 呢個字啊，一定要記住啊，唔該。記住 look for 代表找尋。就係 underline 就 rock 好明顯啦，長嘅就用佢形容詞啦。嗱呢個難嘅，呢個配合基本上係串字嘅啫，但係有啲係容易嘅。You have to be aware of the spelling。一定係 students to get on the classroom。咁會 aware of this 長大啦。首先 get on 通常係咧 ing 同 bus 係咪啊？get on the bus 嘅意思係咁，所以即係家庭姐姐啦。係咪啊？我哋唔係上車，我睇睇啦。老師叫 naughty 嘅小朋友 ，I'm shorter than Flora， 出嚟罰企 ，She's the tallest。OK 嗱，記住啦。Candy was when you compare with the class， 話我知啦。When you compare with the whole class，her has to be 有佢起身啦。中文都係啦，叫佢起身加 est 就算 out。啊係啦，嗱，當然呢啲錯嘅咧，好多時候即係動詞嘅錯啦。咁自己睇清楚 shortest 同 shorter 啦 ，out 呢個字咧，亦都係有下邊啦。Among all office，或者 get out 係最㗎啦。Have you spoken to the teacher yet？到你㗎啦。No，I haven't spoken to the teacher yet。知唔知嘛？呢個係 PP，呢個好超過有。學題到你㗎啦 ，shortest。記住 out 嗱。佢用有 only 你用係得嘅，係咪？但係如果佢用 has 你咯，嗱呢個縱使未學，估下啲規矩呢個真係比較啦，明白嘛？係雙㗎，嗱呢個冇俾名你，所以我都算就算啦。係啦，因為佢講咗 get out of the classroom 係屬於 classroom 嘅 part，the English storybook get out 抄啲嘅 classroom，好嘛？get off 就落車㗎啦，其實道理一樣嘅，我哋唔記得字擺前面嘅 the world 添啊，跟住啦，哇呢個難嘅，呢個難嘅，好啦，Y 做乜嘢？broke out 嘅意思咧，即係慢慢寫到 Y 停一停，慢慢寫。哦，時間快，你錯咗呢啲好簡單嘅，係咪啊？4年班寫落呢啲，記住啦。咁啊，記住啲乜嘢啊？呢個簡單。我都 underline 已經有得比喎 ，she 同我都上住咗啦。Get out， 我哋揀咗個 ing 尾巴，記住 underline 啦嚇。More hardworking， 配 for， 記住 look for 代表找尋。The most 係啦，唔係訂啦。Ask the police to look for 抄。OK，呢個記住啦，係咪 ？I want to be a doctor when I grow up。老師講過係咩？一定係2個音節長大。係咪自己做嘅噃？譬如 beautiful 一定係 more 同 most 啦。3個音節就係跟住咧，有啲特別啲嘅，後尾記住睇後面咯。嘅家庭姐姐啦，係咪啊？記住啦 ，S K O， 咁後面係訂啦，尾巴係 S K O L 啦，咁去分嘅得唔得 ？OK， 慢慢做呢啲更加睇多啲㗎啦，去做嘅。其餘咧就係總之長嘅就用佢。叫佢讀理解啦，基本上係串字嘅幫手㗎啦。而家呢一刻。You have to be aware of 當然可以錯嘅咧，好多時候都係動詞嘅錯。咁自己睇先。嗱 yesterday 咧，我哋啲字拼我哋就咪識咯。好 ，the end of ing and ful。Yesterday 咪即係 Have you spoken to the teacher yet? HAD。No，I haven't spoken to the teacher yet。呢個係 PP。I'm shorter than Flora。記住過去有啲難用 have 問你，你就畫記住啦。但係如果佢 have 問你咯 with the class， 嗱呢一個縱使未學，但係啲規矩亦都一樣嘅，明白嗎？I O T E 係
呢個冇俾個名咧，所以我就輸就算啦，冇辦法，唔知佢叫咩名。
咁有 only 一定係 sorted 啦。
Miss Chan
所以
the sorter 咧，又係
all of us 當時嘅情況咧，所以咧都係一定係做㗎啦。其實道理一樣，後面一節提到你嘅字擺前擺後，學校冇咁 wonderful，知唔知講緊嘢嚇？係啦，學校提到你嘅 sorting 得唔得？有 only 一定係講嘢有機會過去式。Choose one year，但係暫時今次有 ER 啦。OK，對啦，過去式啦。呢個真係比較 short 啦。呢啲好簡單嘅啫。4年班唔好忘記，唔該。咁啊，記住啲乜嘢啊？記住 do not forget to write them。Okay，that's the mark. You will lose。我哋講咗個資訊有啲咩？They are my best friend。Flora often tells jokes. I think the most she is wow in the world 添啊！照抄，仲係嘴，記住現在式係事實習慣。好啦，歪住乜嘢？點分啊？任何時間都係，唔好搞到係咩啊？慢慢寫音節，寫到歪停一停。ing 係做緊，唔同嘅。3個音節就係用冇錯咗，但係有啲特別啲嘅。慢慢寫係 ing 嘅，所以加 s 或者 ing 係 funniest。記住啦。尾巴係 ing，咦有得比喎，尾巴係 s。